Here I have OPPO RX17. Let me show you how to use top tricks on the following device. So let me present 5 top tricks on the following phone. So at the very beginning, let me show you the smart protection. Really interesting thing. Let's just use the settings here. Then you need to scroll down, choose here security, and let's here find and select protect personal information. Here you can enable smart protection. So let's tap turn on. So now when an app tries to read the personal information, you will see the warning to avoid the real information leak. So everything should be right now protect. Let's go for the second trick. So let me show you the private space. Let's go back here from the security. Let's choose the private safe right here. You need to use the set passcode option. Let me do it. So let me use, for example, the following one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me use it. Let's verify new passcode by inputting the second time the passcode. Here you can set the security question. Alright, let me tap done. You can use the home screen shortcut if you would like to. Let me do it. Let me add. Tap done again. Here you can use some private safe photos and other stuff, and you can also go back. So here now you should be able to use the private space. Here you've got the private safe right here. If you would like to enter this safe, let's use the secret code, and now you can use the following private safe files. Alright, let's go back. Now let me show you the 3-finger split screen. So all you need to do is just use settings. Here let's scroll down, choose here the app split screen. Let's enable this feature right here, and now you can split the screen if you would like to swipe up with 3 fingers. That's it. So you can do it from every screen on the phone, and you can just swipe up with 3 fingers to use the following split view. If you would like to quit the split view, let's just do it again, and now you can go back to normal view. So that's it. Now let's go for the next trick. Let me show you the 3 fingers screenshot. So let's here use the following smart and convenient option. Let's choose gesture and motions. Let's enable 3-finger screenshot, and now if you swipe down with 3 fingers, you should be able to take a screenshot. You can also use long screenshot if you would like to right here, or you can send the screenshot. You can also use other options. For example, you can raise to turn on the screen if you would like to. Let me do it. Let's go for the next trick, and let me show you the navigation keys. From the smart and convenient, let's choose navigation keys. As you can see here, you can use the following layout. You can use virtual navigation keys, hidden feature, or you can also use here swipe up gesture navigation. Here you've got the instructions, but in my case let me use the virtual key navigation. That's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.